Today with the wind blowing in from the northwest. If you think that's cold, look at this, a real icy blast across the northeast of the states and eastern Canada at the moment. New York as low as -16, Boston -22. Add in the wind chill effect and it is dangerous out there at the moment. If you're heading that direction though, don't worry, temperatures set to rise over this weekend. So it makes our temperatures look pretty good by comparison, in fact fairly mild in sheltered parts of South Wales and the south coast of England. Pretty chilly still though down that eastern coast of Scotland and particularly down those North Sea coast of England where we've got that strong wind blowing. It'll keep going right the way through the rest of today, and that's also where we've got most of the cloud and patchy outbreaks of rain. So all in all, a fairly miserable afternoon anywhere really from the Scottish borders down through to North Norfolk. Maybe a little bit of wintriness across the tops of the hills, North York Moors for instance, but for the rest of us, bar one or two showers drifting in across Cheshire, down towards the southwest of England, northern parts of Northern Ireland, it should be a dry afternoon and evening with a little bit of brightness around as well. Things changing subtly overnight. We'll keep the showers running down those North Sea coasts. We'll lose the showers largely through the Irish Sea, but we gain cloud and outbreaks of rain towards the south of Wales and into southwest England. That holds the temperatures up here, but elsewhere, well, we can look at a frost almost anywhere really from the Midlands northwards, quite a sharp frost through the Scottish Highlands, some freezing fog developing across Northern Ireland, and we'll see some icy patches where those showers have been falling during today. But for the weekend, for most of us, it's looking fairly quiet and fairly settled. But we've got those couple of areas to watch out for tomorrow morning. The showers running down those North Sea coast. That thicker cloud giving some outbreaks of rain, perhaps sleet and snow at the high ground of South Wales and the West Country moors. That'll slowly edge a little bit further southwards through the afternoon. Always, though, I think a lot of cloud around across those southern counties. But elsewhere, things brightening up quite nicely as long as the fog goes in Northern Ireland. That is, still some of those showers just drifting down through those North Sea coasts. If anything, temperatures could be a degree or so down on today's values, but with lighter winds, it shouldn't actually feel too bad. Then on Sunday, it all sort of swaps around, really. England and Wales looking at the fine, bright weather after a rather chilly, in fact, frosty start. But the cloud and the rain pushing in across the northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland, that heralds a change to much milder weather. That'll